Most people ruin food without even noticing. Not by undercooking it, but by doing too much. The problem isn't bad ingredients. It's bad timing. Seasoning heavily while cooking feels right, but it often destroys balance. Heat intensifies salt and spices. Flavors become harsh. Food tastes aggressive instead of rich. One note replaces complexity. People season early to feel in control. They want instant flavor. You can't undo over-seasoning, but you can always add more later. Season lightly while cooking. Adjust at the end. You protect balance. You keep flexibility. Chefs adjust seasoning at the very end. That's intentional. More seasoning doesn't mean more flavor. It means less control. Cooking is correction, not guessing. Timing matters. Same ingredients. Cleaner taste. If your food tastes harsh or flat, this is probably why. Now you know. Do you usually season early or at the end?